Alright, we are at 1771st Street in Highland Park. Last time I filmed these were Westinghouse. Here's the wheelchair lift. And now these are ThyssenKrupp. Take a look. One of them just re-leveled. Alright, let's go for a ride. I do not know what that beacon is for. First three floors or top three floors are locked as usual. And that used to be a dinner bell. Looks like it still has the Westinghouse door equipment. Watch this side now. That one's all the way up at, on 6 it looks like. Let's send it up and we'll watch it go. This is probably locked, yeah. Womp womp. That's pretty cool. Yeah, that's all Weston, not original, it's C's, but it's the same kind of door equipment as it used to be. And there's the kid. Yep.